Turn it on high. You top on and wait for it to boil. Cut these up. Put a rock. Put in the chokes. Tie in that so it doesn't hit the bottom, because it'll burn. You let it boil for 5 hours. Keep it boiling on 3. About 15 minutes before it's done, start getting another pot of boiling water. Wearing heat-resistant gloves. So once it starts boiling, put them in. You set the timer for 10 minutes. Put a towel down first. And this is like a 10-20 tray. Put the extras in these 32-ounce jars. So make sure when you press down, it's tight. That means it's airtight. And store it in a nice, cool, dark place.